Alright, let's draw this together. A person, did you draw a stick figure? A person standing 100 feet away from the bottom of a cliff. So I got a cliff. Let's draw a cliff. Cliff. You can't see. A person standing 100 feet away from a cliff. So stick figures are awesome because they give you a reference point of where you're standing. A person standing 100 feet away from the bottom or base or the foot of a cliff, so 100 feet. Sorry. Do you understand why I have the mirror now? A person standing 100 feet away from the bottom or base of a cliff notices a tower at the top of the cliff. Tower. The angle of elevation to the top of the cliff. So elevation. So this is the top of the cliff. Right angles. So the angle of elevation to the top of the cliff is 30 degrees. So I'm drawing my up arrow, right? From the ground to the top of the cliff, that is 30 degrees. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower to the top of the tower, so from the ground to this tower here, is 58 degrees. How tall is the tower? So they want to know how tall is this part right here. I'll call that one X. And I'll call the cliff Y. And I'll call them together W. So let's go ahead and draw our two triangles. Actually, raise your hand if your picture looks like that. Alright, so if you separated your triangles, let me try to show you. I have an orange triangle. Let's label the orange triangle. What's my angle of elevation? 30 degrees. This over here represents the cliff, right? Y. And this distance here is 100. And then for the purple triangle, so if you can't see it, this is the purple triangle. Our angle of elevation is 58 degrees. Do we know the base of the triangle? 100. And then the big side of the triangle is called W. Okay? Just to think about it, you're having this right here is the cliff, and then this part is the tower, and then we can use segment addition later on. So now if I solve that, with your partner, go ahead and solve for W and Y, and we'll check on you in about 3 minutes. Ready, set, go. Lillian, did you solve for either W or Y? What did you get? Did you solve for Y? What did you get? Good. Iser, did you get W? What'd you get? 160, yes. So let's review what those lengths are. Y represents the height of the cliff. W represents the whole length of the cliff plus the tower. Partner B, tell partner A the segment addition that we're going to use. Ready, set, go. So he'll tell us the segment addition. What is our W value, Sahil? Sahil, what is our Y value? And we don't know the unknown, which is our X value. So we're going to subtract 57.74. We're going to get an X length of 160.03 minus 50. What did I tell you guys around to? Did you guys notice when I'm rounding, I didn't round these two to the tenths. My final answer, I am. So, big idea. Draw your triangle. Trying to solve for the tower. We're indirectly solving for it. Separate your two triangles. Use segment addition, and that kind of makes sense. Green plus the pink gives you W, which is the whole length of the cliff plus the tower, which is 160.